What's going on, guys? I'm sitting here editing this video and I realized I didn't really explain in the beginning what we were doing. So guys, today we're installing my COBB Rear Motor Mount on my 2018 Ford Focus ST. Well, I really want to put this rear motor mount in.
Alright. So
Alright guys, we just installed this COBB downpipe. So I'll link that in the card right here. But now we're going to try to put this, change this rear motor mount. It looks fairly simple. I just hope we can keep this from rocking. We got the COBB motor mount from Panda Motor Works. I'll link it down in the description box below. Alright, I kind of wanted to explain this real quick before we get started. So you want a more solid motor mount because the engine, when you get on your car, the engine rocks back and forth. If you have a stiffer mount, this can prevent wheel hop and it can prevent torque steer as well, and it puts more power down to the ground if you have a more solid mount. So this mount right here, I'll show you when we get it out, but it's more rubbery and it's more flexible. This one's more solid. So anyways, I just wanted to explain why I'm replacing this rear motor mount before we get started, and to protect my downpipe as well. All right, this is a 15 millimeter. Let's undo this and see what kind of action we can get going on here.
Are you listening?
All right, I went ahead and took this bolt out right here. So I've taken this bolt and this bolt out. Now we have to remove this to gain access to where we can pull this out. So
yeah, this bracket attached to the transmission, we got a shield that's got to come off. There's like 2/13s, and then underneath you'll have to take a bolt, 1, 2, 3. So
all right, and then I'm probably gonna leave this shield off of mine because my new downpipe doesn't use it. So
yeah.
Clean up under here anyways.
Which, if you still got the stock downpipe, you'll have another bracket that we got laying over here. This bracket will have to come off. There's a couple nuts and bolts that hold that on. So
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So rip to this bracket.
yeah, so that bracket would, if you had stock downpipe, you would still use this and this, but since he has a COBB downpipe, you no longer need it.
Okay, so once that's out of the way, there's one.
Yeah, you already took the.
Okay, so you do have to reuse that bolt though.
Yeah.
So just 2 of those are for the shield.
And then you got that one up in here.
Right. It's not a bad install.
Yeah.
Up through here.
That's better.
Hyundai Hanny and his weird tools. He's got what we need.
My boy. The hairbrush fairy will come see you tonight, Ryan, I promise. Go follow my boy Han at Hyundai_Hanny or Hanny_Hyundai, one of them.
We'll add a link to that down in the description as well.
If you're that worried about finding the magical unicorn, just follow me on Instagram and look at my friends list. You'll find him.
Alright, so that bracket is now out.
Nice. I'm very glad to eliminate this. I wanted to take that out anyway, so.
It's all part of the process.
Alright, here's what I was talking about earlier. See how this is rubber in between here? This is going to flex a lot more than the solid is. So there's the before and after.
Yeah, factory's not designed to have a lot of road feel, so they want to make it cushy.
And this does not say down or up, but I'm going to make it look nice and put the COBB up. Now right back in with it. So once this bracket's out of the way, this install is just seconds. But this is the, this makes it not a tough install, but it makes it a kind of a pain.
Having the right tools helps.
Right. Okay, so.
Well, didn't this one have a stud on it?
No, this one's the only one that didn't, I don't think.
No, because this one didn't.
Oh, okay. Not bad. Thank you for correcting me. Sometimes you need a Steven to hang around. So, Steven filmed his own first video. Last fit update LED lights, and that's interesting. Steven found out it's very tough to film alone, and it's always good to have a partner to film with. But that video is probably up by now, so if y'all ain't checked that out, I'm gonna link it right here. Yeah, you're right, because that held on.
Yep.
Yeah.
I know, B-Ray. I know.
Must hurt being so good, huh? How you sleep at night?
I don't know, this head kind of squashes all my pillows. So freaking big.
He has to walk through the garage door certain mornings.
Damn.
Joey knows what I'm talking about.
I just gotta know, does Joey still flip the lights on in the morning?
Since I've been starting work early now. I was making a point for Joey to turn on the lights.
Steven has a new duty in the
Yeah, he has bigger
Shop.
obligations to fulfill. That.
shop foreman.
Shop floor's
Congratulations to
coming
our boy Steven.
Yeah, so the bonus checks he's gonna get, and should be getting more stuff for the
Hey.
F-150.
F-150's got about 2 more mods. And messing with it for a while because Brian's going to have to
And,
edit out the
He
F-bomb.
can just beep it out.
I'm not that good. I wouldn't know how to bleep a bad word. Trust me, I want to say a lot of bad words all the time, but I just pretend like there's kids around.
Doesn't work for me.
Well, good news is RX-8's getting some new shoes here soon.
The RX-8 is back, baby.
Thanks to your boy 270 Photos.
I mean, I've only held on to them for 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
And you had to buy the other two. And the tires.
All right, let's get back on the track here. We are installing a motor mount.
All right. I think we're good.
That's about it for the install, ain't you?
Boy, you got Allen head that big? God.
Actually, I do. I actually do. And you want to know where they came from?
Ripped to your Harbor Freight pry bar.
Imagine, that's where the Allen heads came from, too. Let's go get them. Got the old 3/8 drawer. Buried back here in the back are my Allen heads.
Good enough. Again, huge shout out to Panda Motor Works for this rear motor mount and the COBB downpipe as well. Like I said, I'll link everything in the description box below. I don't understand why everybody wants to use Allen heads. Just for my wife buys some off Amazon. Everything's Allen head. Oh, Corey, I finally got that bolt fixed on my table.
Did you really?
Yeah, I went to Ace Hardware, and I just got another bolt. Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, it just slipped. I didn't do nothing. We just like to get her a little.
Right. Got everything mounted back in there.
Hold your ears, kids. Oh. Make sure you got it on there first, though. Little, for good measure.
Extra Ugga Duggas.
All right.
All right, guys. Rear motor mount is installed. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you're following us on all of our social medias. I'll link them down in the description box below. Make sure you visit Panda Motor Works, www.pandamotorworks.com. Guys, until next time.